Hey guys, so this is Ed and this is another project video. So this will be my third concurrent project that I'll be looking at trying to do. You can see in front of me I've got a box of parts. I picked this up from a guy who lived about 5-6 k's away from here. He put a post up on Facebook Marketplace saying that he had components for an old vintage PC. He was saying it was a Pentium 3 800 on the advert, and he was selling all of this. So this grab bag box of bits for $10. So I thought I'd go over there and pick it all up. Who knows if it's going to work still, but for $10 I thought it's worth a shot. So let's have a quick look at what we've got in here. So this is the motherboard, a pretty standard motherboard. Doesn't have AGP, so I'm going to have to find a PCI graphics card if I don't want to use the onboard. 2 banks of 256, so 512 megs of RAM. 3 PCI slots. Forgotten what that small brown one is. I think that was a short-lived port or card type that didn't really keep going. I've forgotten what that is. Let's see what we can use in there. Looks like it's got a built-in game port on the sound card on the Foxconn motherboard. Yeah, a couple of USB slots as well. What we've got here is a CD rewriter drive, a Ricoh. There's an E on there, I don't know what the E signifies. And standard compact disc, diamond data. What else have we got down here? 20 gigabyte Seagate. He did say that he's wiped the drive, so we'll have to install operating systems. Floppy disk. This one's pretty yellowed. Maybe that one's been used in the sun. Maybe that's in a different case. It's got a different color to the others. IDE cables. A floppy, I think. No. I need to get a floppy cable. There's a slave. And the power supply. Let's have a look at this. What have we got here? 145 watts? Is that correct? I don't know. It's quite a weak power supply. It's pretty small. I guess I assume it's from the same motherboard and PC. And then we've got the back plate. So all I need now is a case to my installation CDs, and yeah, I guess we've got to see if this will work. I don't have a case at the moment, so that'll come in a later video. So this was just an intro to this bit of componentry which I picked up for $10. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing how this build goes, then consider subscribing, and I'll put out the other videos as soon as I get some more componentry. Alright, catch you later, bye.